and festivities surrounding the week did not deter buyers from home shopping and making offers on homes. It's Friday, May 31st, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Annapolis Real Estate Report. Annapolis has 125 homes for sale with another 16 coming soon. 24 hit the market over the past week. 32 homes went under contract in 10 median days since last report. 29 homes sold in 4 days at 100.2% list to sold ratio. There are currently 25 rentals available at $3,000 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, May 31st, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next week. Take care.